Hello friends, welcome to my channel Growing Up With You, wherein today we'll be doing a project on summer season. So in this project we'll be discussing about the summer season, what we wear in summer season and what kids love to do in the summer season. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here it is, our project on summer season is ready. Now let's have a look. So a child starts with that summer season, it is the hottest season. In this season, the days are long and the nights are short. Then after this, we will see what we wear when we step out of the house because it is so sunny. So in summer season, we wear light cotton clothes. Now I have cut this from an old handkerchief. You can take any cotton cloth and cut out a dress shape or a shirt shape. So here it is. We will put this over here. We use umbrella. So here it is, the umbrella, then sunglasses and the hat. So this is how we step out of the house because it is very hot. So after this, we sweat a lot in the sun, and so we should drink lot of water and fruit juices. So here are some of the summer fruits like mango, wherein the child will tell that it is the king of the fruits. It is also the national fruit of India. Then there's watermelon, papaya, muskmelon and lychee. Now you can paste as many as you can, the fruits. Regarding these pictures, I have taken them from the old books. Same from here. These were the stickers that had come with the book, so I have put them over here. And regarding this sun, my daughter has done the finger painting over here. But if you have a picture of a sun, you can paste it, or you can cut like this and then paste it over here. So after this comes the what kids do in summer season. So in summer season, the school has holidays, or you can say the school vacation is there. So some kids enjoy swimming in the pool. Some kids travel with their family to a hill station. Then you can discuss with the child what is a hill station. You can also put over here that some kids go to their granny's house in their summer vacation. Next will be some enjoy in the park. So here it is. These pictures also I have taken from the old book. You can take from the internet. There are a lot of it. Now regarding this beach picture, I have drawn it, but there is many available on the net. In the evening when it is not hot, some kids enjoy on the beach playing with a ball and building sand castles. Okay. So last page will be, so this is the favorite page of my daughter. It's like this is the best season to enjoy ice cream. We have taken 6 flavors. Okay, you can take as many as you want, and let them build up a ice cream that yes, this is the best season to have ice cream. So let me build up a ice cream, a strawberry mango ice cream topped with a chocolate scoop, or a vanilla, or a watermelon, or a kiwi. Like, let them go on. The last sentence will be, I love summer season. Thank you. So do let me know about this project in the comment box below. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video and subscribe my channel for more such educational videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing off. Happy summers and happy growing up with your loved ones.